Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate Instagram account and activate it again. All right, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device. At the bottom right corner, tap on the profile menu. Then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Accounts Center. Scroll down until you find Personal Details. Inside this section, look for Account Ownership and Control and tap on it. Next, click on Deactivation or Deletion and select your Instagram account. Make sure the option Deactivate Account is selected, then click on Continue. Now you will be asked to enter your Instagram password. After that, Instagram will show a pop-up asking you to select the reason for deactivation. Choose your preferred reason, then click Continue. Finally, tap on Deactivate Account. You will see a confirmation message that your account has been deactivated. To reactivate your Instagram account, simply log in again with your username and password. The account will be restored automatically. So that's basically how you can deactivate Instagram account and activate it again. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.